Hello, everybody. Welcome to our English online class. Are you ready? Now let's start. Our lesson for today is about animals and their babies. Animals and their babies. Okay. Here are the vocabulary words. Dog and puppy. The mother dog and the baby puppy. Pig and piglet. The mother pig and the piglet. Horse and foal. The mother horse and the baby foal. Cat and kitten. The mother cat and the baby kitten. Duck and duckling. The mother duck and the baby duckling. Cow and calf. The mother cow and the baby calf. Deer and fawn. The mother deer and the baby fawn. Lion and cub. The mother lion and the baby cub. Sheep and lamb. The mother sheep and the baby lamb. Kangaroo and joey. The mother kangaroo and the baby joey. Now, let's answer this one. We will try this. Are you ready? Okay, look at the picture and tell me what's the answer. What animal is this? Is it A, dog, B, joey, C, cow, D, cub? What's your answer? Yes, it's a dog. Very good. Okay, next. How many lions are there? Look at the picture. Can you tell me? Is it you're going to answer true or false? There are 2 lions. Is it true or false? False, because we have 3 lions. So the correct answer is there are 3 lions. Okay, very good. Next, what do cats eat? What do you think? The cat eats cute meat. Okay, the cat eats cute meat. Very good. Okay, how about this one? I will tell you something about the cat. Okay, the cats use their whiskers to inspect if a space is too small for them to fit through or not. Okay, the word there is whiskers. Okay, next. Now let's listen to the animal sounds. Are you ready?
Cat. Dog. Cove. Chicken. Sheep. Horse. Pig. Donkey. Cockerel. Duck. Goat. Chick. Frog.
Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Bye for now. See you next video.